y'all, back Christina. If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you like and make sure you share this with your friends. Today I'm going to do an unboxing video, or I should say unbagging video, since it's in a bag. So I just got another package from 21Rich, and I'm gonna turn it this way because I don't want y'all to see my address. Let's open it up and see what's inside. But cut it up. But y'all know I want to make sure I don't cut anything, so I always cut at the very tippy top. Boop. And let's see what it is. There's nothing else in the bag, and y'all know I like to open it right here. All right, this is the packaging slip, so we don't need that. But can you guess what it is? Can you guess what it is? It look like money. It feel like money. Oh, I can pop it open. Open it up. And it is their Blue 100 bandana, okay? Get a load of this. How cool is this? It's a money bandana, all right? So I think when you take the bandana, you do it like this. And you do it like this. Right? That's how people wear their bandanas, right? Boom. Ah, shit is so cute. This is fire. And I guess you could also like wear this like a face mask up here. I don't want it to get my makeup on it, so I'm not gonna do it. But I guess you could also wear it like this too. Or, you know, you could wear it on your head like this. Well, I mean, it's so many things you can do with a bandana, but this is so dope. Thank you, 21Rich, for my bandana, my Blue 100 bandana. Bandana gang. Hey, this is lit. This is lit. Y'all might have bandana print, but y'all ain't got this bandana print. Thank you, 21Rich, for my Blue 100s print bandana. I love it. The material is like really soft and stretchy. I don't know if y'all can see that stretch, but it's super stretchy and it's super soft. Like, I can't wait to stunt with it. And like, I don't know if y'all caught it, but it even got like the little blue lines. But $100 bill, y'all, this is legit. So I'm gonna drop the link in my bio so y'all can get y'all a bandana with the Blue 100 prints on it too.